And I say segregation now, segregation tomorrow, and segregation forever.
In 1963, Alabama Governor George Wallace called for segregation now, segregation tomorrow, and segregation forever in his inaugural address. He was right, because segregation is still very much alive and well in this country, especially when it comes to policing and black people. For as long as black people have been free, the police have been used to enforce racial segregation. In 1909, the police in Pittsburgh arrested more than 200 black men on charges of vagrancy and sentenced them the next day to do forced labor in the local jail. 100 years later, black people are still being arrested for petty offenses and made to work in prisons. Racial segregation continues to make black people vulnerable to constant police interactions and victims of police violence. Most people live in neighborhoods segregated along racial lines and don't even think much about it. But discriminatory laws and policies and practices have contributed to maintaining racial spaces and have helped fuel police brutality and misconduct in black and brown communities.